The Federal High Court in Abuja has dismissed a defection suit instituted against the 27 members of the River State House of Assembly loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike'S. Correspondent Kuliojo completes the story.
Seeking to replace the 27 lawmakers on the account of their alleged defection from the People's Democratic Party to All Progressive Congress was on Friday thrown out on various grounds. Among others, Justice Peter Lifu, who delivered the judgment, held that the suit instituted by the Action's People's Party (APP) was statute bar, having not been filed within the 14 days allowed by the law. While the defection was said to have been carried out in December last year, the APP filed the case on July 12, a period of 8 months after the cause of action emanated. Besides, Justice Lifu said the case was a gross abuse of court process on the ground that several suits on the alleged defection of the same 27 lawmakers had been adjudicated upon by the Federal High Court. The judge who quoted the previous judgment of the Federal High Court said the request for replacement of the lawmakers had earlier been rejected due to lack of sufficient fact to establish the defection of the legislators. The judge subsequently dismissed the suit on the 3 major grounds. Some of the counsel described the judgment as a victory for democracy.
Because His Lordship Honorable Justice Omotosho had in January this year found and held that the House of Assembly led by Right Honorable Martin Amuwule was the authentic House of Assembly in Rivers State, and that Martin Amuwule is the authentic Speaker of the House of Assembly of Rivers State. And the court said he's bound by those judgments of his brother's judges, and he cannot at this time sit on appeal on those judgments. So that is the state of the law. So as far as we are concerned, the court has found that the matter lacks merit. And indeed, the court went further to say that the plaintiffs failed to prove and establish their case. Even the video recording that they tendered, they dumped it on the court. They could not do what they were required by law to do.
In the movie we saw, Act 1, Scene 1, we saw somebody, we don't know who he is. Scene 2, we saw so many people, we don't know who they are. Nobody told us who they are. You heard the judge said so too. So they just dumped, like my Lene brother said, they dumped everything on the court. I think this has put an end to the political hula-baloo in Rivers State. And I think it's good for all of us.
Also, the embattled Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Honorable Martins Amaule, said he and other 26 members of the Assembly never at any time defected to the All Progressive Congress as speculated in the suits.
Anywhere in this country looking for how to remove us through the back door. What the court has said today, including all that they have tendered as their evidence and all of that, is clear. No such thing as defection. And in any case, we have a right to defect, but we never defected. Anything you have seen is just the arrangement from the governor, being sponsored by the governor of Rivers State. And I say it clearly because he is the one pushing all of them. He is the one sponsoring all these persons, going from one court to the other.
He expressed the determination of the Assembly under him to continue to pursue the cause of justice at all times. From the Federal High Court in Abuja, Kunle Ojo, Galaxy TV.